Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back here to MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Chris Lindstrom here with you. We're going to be walking through a brand new 190 SPX that we just had come in. Nicely finished out boat here. We're just going to show you some of the options that the boat has. Starting here at the transom, powered with the maximum horsepower for the 190 SPX. This is Mercury's 150 four-stroke outboard. One thing we also did with this boat is we carried the sea deck through the swim platform in through the cockpit, so you have full sea deck throughout this whole boat, and it is adhered down. It's not a snap in, snap out, so you got full coverage through the whole flooring. And then this complementary color to the flooring is actually called Dunes. So it's a two-tone tan color, really rich, kind of just gives you a completely different look to this 19 SPX. And with this upgraded upholstery package, which you see with some of the contrast stitching and some of the extra bolsters that we do have, it also does include your stainless steel component upgrade. So if you see, all of your grab handles, all of your cup holders will all be stainless. And then here on the transom, I do have a 4-step reboarding ladder that lays flush with my swim platform, so I don't have to worry about tripping over that or getting my toes caught on it. We do have an all-activity tower here mounted at the transom, and then with the sports tower configuration, you actually also have a tow point from the center point of your from the canvas top as well. So through the top of the canvas, you have your tow point up there, also where your anchor light does plug in as well. We'll go ahead and walk in here, take a look at the way that the floor plan was configured. Tons of room in here. As you can see, I have 2 steps that walk me down into the main cockpit, so you get a little bit more freeboard, a little bit more protection for the family. Tons of protection underneath the sports tower, and what I do like is that it's a structural piece that you can hang on to. So if we are going to be underway and you want to stand up and kind of see a little bit different vantage point, you can actually hold on to this tower since it's structured into the gunnel line, so it gives you a little bit better place to be able to hold on to. Stainless steel grab handles, speakers throughout. And then what's nice is this configuration on the port side is actually a double wide lounger. So you have the option for 2 captain's chairs, or you do have the option for the lounger here on the 190 SPX. So with this secondary cushion, it does give you a place for 2 people to sit. But if you wanted to have a forward-facing seat, lift up on this back portion, this entire cushion comes out and actually stows underneath that seat. But as you can see, it does give me a little bit of relief, and the seat deck actually runs right in front of the seat, so I've got a little bit extra traction there for my feet as well. Go ahead and work your way in here. We'll take a look at the storage compartment. Be it that this is an outboard powered boat, where your stern drive engine typically would be is now all storage. So this is where the full boat cover is. If you see that cushion underneath, it's actually a filler cushion for the bow, so I can fill the entire front section to create a sun pad up here. But a great catch-all for all your beach bags, extra towels, extra stuff you might need for the day. Keep everything stowed away so it's not laying in the deck and causing a trip hazard. Here in the center compartment, I do have a very spacious in-floor storage. Turn and lock style latches, great place to toss some water toys, maybe some fishing rods you can toss down in there. But again, no shortage of storage here on the 190. We work our way here to the helm. I do have a flush-mounted Simrad multifunction display. It gives me sonar, it gives me my GPS function. I do have a Fusion Bluetooth stereo with a cover. All your switches nicely cleanly laid out up against this black acrylic too, so a nicely finished out helm. Additional footrest here in the sea deck material to give the driver a nice comfortable place to sit. Throttle right in a great position. Additional beverage holder underneath with USB and 12-volt plugs. Nice soft touch dash will kind of knock some of the glare off of the screen as well, so very nicely done here from Sea Ray. On the port side, I do have a lockable glove box as well, so a great place to just toss some extra gear. If you wanted to go out to dinner one night, pop some stuff that you wanted some valuables in here, you can lock that up. Underneath our compartment here, I do have additional storage, so just an additional spot to be able to tuck some gear away. Here upon my walkway through, I do have a latch that'll actually lock that windshield in place, and then I have 2 turn and lock style latches to secure the windshield in place. And then if we wanted to open it up, you can see that does catch in a nice stainless steel grab so your windshield's not vibrating around. Nice wraparound seating up front here. I do have storage underneath both of these compartments, so another great place to toss some extra dock lines if you wanted to keep some up front here. Again, with that complement or the contrast stitching in this upgraded upholstery, nicely finished out seat up here and a great place to catch some sun or have a great vantage point of what's on the water. And furthest forward up here at the bow is my separated anchor locker. So it is on a tension hinge, so it'll keep this lid up. As you can see, all nicely finished out fiberglass, no raw exposed edges. Dedicated anchor storage with a tie-off cleat. and your navigation lights fixed right in the front of the boat. So this is an in-stock available 190 SPX here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. My name is Chris Wenstrom. Feel free to give me a call on my cell phone if you want to come by and take this boat home with you for summertime. 727-460-4175. Thank you.